In a world where challenges transcend borders, our unity and shared commitment are more vital than ever. In today's dangerous time, we face threats of force, foreign intervention, suppression of freedom struggles, poverty, inequality, global tensions, military alliances, and a nuclear arms race. Preventive diplomacy should focus on addressing the root cause of conflict, with the General Assembly, the ICJ, and the Peace Building Commission playing crucial roles. Pakistan is proud of long-standing contributions to UN peacekeeping, having contributed 230,000 troops to 47 missions, and Pakistan has advanced novel concepts in peacekeeping. The UN peacekeeping missions faces increasing challenges from terrorist groups, tribal rivalries, and threats to safety, often leading to no peace to keep. We agree with the calls for a serious and broad-based reflection on the future of peacekeeping. Any updated strategy for UN peacekeeping will have reflect the following elements. Peacekeeping mission must be part of an overall political strategy that seeks to address and resolve the underlying cause of conflict and the violence. The mandate of UN peacekeeping mission must be responsive to special circumstances of the situations being addressed and realistic and achievable. Each mission should be provided adequate financial, human and material resource and advanced capabilities like radars, early warning intelligence and counter IEDs to implement the mandate. The UN peacekeepers should receive adequate training to fulfill their mandate and to respond to anticipated threats. Improvements can be made in command and control structures, especially to ensure timely response to attack against civilian and peacekeepers. Pakistan is committed to peacekeeping partnerships, especially with the African Union and the OIC. Pakistan will work with the UN and all interested states to further develop the concept of peace enforcement. As we conclude our discussion, let us remember that the strength of our partnership lies in our mutual dedication to peace, security and justice. Together we can build a safer world for all. Thank you for your invaluable contribution and unwavering commitment. I look forward to our continued collaboration. Thank you.